So I'm here with Pat with his 1957 Pro Street Bel-Air. So last June it came to us. He's coming home from a car show, and unfortunately he got hit in the front. Some frame damage, some panel damage in the front. So Pat ended up deciding to paint the whole car. So we took it apart, sanded it down, did body work, painted it, and as you can see, this is what it looks like now. And it's a beautiful 1957 with a 502 Bel-Air. Pat, how do you like the car?
The car looks fantastic. Gene worked at the insurance company, and between the two of us, I ended up getting the whole car redone. He's doing the jobs down here. He's getting the stuff out. A long time ago, it was 25, 30 years ago, I worked in a body shop for 8 years. So I knew the work, I watched what he's doing, and he's doing the work and he's getting the jobs out. So it's all good.
Thanks, Pat. I appreciate you letting us